The more versatile your photos, greater your chances of getting booked. 5 tips. In the entertainment industry, as long as you're able to pass as a certain age, you can play the role of a character that is that age. In other words, you'll want to develop a versatile range rather than sticking only to roles that are meant for your exact age. There's a common misconception among those just getting started that you have to audition only for those that match exactly. However, there is typically more leeway than that. If CDs are too strict on the age guidelines, it becomes very difficult to find talent who match. If you're 25 and can pass as 18, for example, it's okay to submit for an 18 to 25 role and wait to see if the casting director agrees. How can you help make sure the CD sees what you do? Make sure to take versatile photos that aid in the believability that you're able to take on a range of ages. The more flexible your look, the more opportunities you'll be considered for. What types of poses should you consider? The short answer is, it depends. It depends on your actual age and how versatile you feel you can be. If you're middle-aged, you might be able to define your range as 35 to 50. If you're a 16-year-old who naturally looks older, maybe you can pass as 16 to 25. Having range allows you to submit to a wide range of roles. When taking photos, you can purposely dress and do your hair and makeup to make you appear a bit older or a bit younger. If you can pull together a look that broadens that range, all the better. Don't overdo it though. If being versatile is too much of a stretch, this will be evident too. In other words, if you're in your late teens, you probably want to avoid coming up with a getup that portrays someone in their 70s. You can also look up certain versatile poses ahead of time that you can try out. Sometimes just the way you pose or the scenery behind you can make you look older or younger. Oftentimes, photographers will also offer suggestions for what works best. When it comes to submitting to versatile roles, you'll have to use your best judgment about what you're able to pull off based on the portfolio you've created. You probably won't be able to take on every character you come across, and that's okay. Pick and choose what's appropriate. Presenting a versatile portfolio of images will up your chances of getting booked. But it all comes down to whether a casting director can see you in the role to be filled. There are a lot of factors that come into play, and likely a lot of other contenders. So if you've submitted to a role that you feel you can pull off and don't get it, this doesn't necessarily mean that your photos aren't believable. They very well could be, but someone else was a closer fit. Don't give up, keep trying again and again. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.